Hello, it's Martin. I'm going to review this mouse. So, as you're aware, I just got myself a new Corsair Gaming mouse. And as you do, you go, right, I want a new mouse now because I'm using one and it's been doing okay, but I thought, you know what, let's get Corsair. I say this every time, I'm a Corsair fanboy. I am going to make a video, so say subscribe, and I'm going to tell you some of the top reasons why I hate Corsair, or some of the things I hate about Corsair. So this is a Ironclaw RGB Wireless. I like how it says win without wires. Oh Corsair, I love your marketing material. Is that true? Is that very true? So let's get the packaging. So okay, so straight out in the box you get nice braided cable for what? For charging. Nice. USB 1. Nice. You get some documentations. Oh, this is running ICUE. If you're not aware about this, it's running ICUE. Sorry. So it runs ICUE, so that's good. So, and let's open this up. So, try to work out. Oh, it goes like that. Goes like that. Okay, work it out. That should be a lot easier. So there's the mouse. So it has side back and forth, which is what it should have for the modern life is. It's got 2 buttons at the top, a side button, and 2 buttons side. Yeah, all good. So yeah, feels good. That's nice. And then we'll have to get in the box. Sorry, I'm just going to that's not actually touch it though. And then you get the we don't go. So this must be, what's this? Alright, this must be, alright, I'm not going to take out the package because I actually don't need it. So we're running our USB A to USB to the mini USB. So you can just kind of plug this straight into it, so that's good. I wonder if they'll sync to my other Corsair headset. That'd be interesting. So yeah, this is my first look at it. So it does Bluetooth and it does Wi-Fi. Oh, that's good. It does Bluetooth. Oh. Sorry, excuse me. So it does Bluetooth. So if you got a laptop that's got Bluetooth, it should work. I wonder if it works on tablets. That'd be hilarious if it does. That'd be quite fun actually. So I might actually hook it to my tablet and go, yeah, this doesn't work, but you know what's worth a try. Do I have my phone on me? No, I don't have my phone on me. It must be in Fritter. For another room. So yeah, so very good, very nice. So what we'll do is we'll get this hooked onto the computer. You'll see it on, and then we'll see what the computer will say about it. So, and then you might see somehow the precision games work. What game should we play? What game am I playing at the moment? Oh, we can play some Halo. Watch that. So that seems to be the most popular game at the moment because it's brand new. So yeah, so we'll do that. So let's move on to the computer.
Okay, here's the dashboard for the ICUE that I run. Here you can see all my RGB that I run it with ICUE. So the good thing was it's only 2 dongles. I'm going to try to disconnect one of them, but this one here was to do with my headphones. I managed to sync with both my wireless headphones, which is this one here, with my other one, which is my mouse, which is really nice. So that's good to have when you have one dongle. So I still have that connected to the computer, but it's good to have it as a backup. So I might disconnect it, see how I get on first. So what we do is we can connect on this and we can show you some stuff. I found this was quite handy to have. So it's got this device calibration. So it actually calibrates to the surface. As you know back, I did my gaming Matt, so this is it. So we can do this until it's, you could just go mad. A little bit, a bit mad. So we'll try that again. Yeah, it's went a bit mad. And then what this does is calibrate to your surface, which is good. Of course, you can like change the layout of the buttons, hardware, lighting, so you can like I have an off mode with my at nighttime, especially with my baby sleeping. She sees all the lights because where the computer is in the bedroom is, she can see it. So this is a good way of turning off the lights, but you can like make sure it's all syncs with your lighting and just all that. Here's a different calibrator for the. So while you hold different guns, you can calibrate exactly how good it is and all that. I'm still playing around with this. I'm hoping I can get this done. So what we'll do is we'll get some Halo up and you're going to see it in play as well. So. Okay, as you can see, good range controls.
Suffering! I'm targeted! This is not my ride! Get out of there, coward! Don't even need it! What is this? Give me!
I'm with you, Chief!
very happy with that. So back to the main video.
So yeah, so you see in the computer, I think this is going to be a good collection to my Corsair gear. Stay tuned, and I'm going to buy myself the new Corsair keyboard. I'm running something, I have a link where I'm running on my mouse at the moment, so this is a nice upgrade to it, so hopefully it'll do me purpose. I still use that mouse now and again, but I think it's time to go Corsair, everything Corsair. Might as well get the whole family out. So, alright. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.